will do make us so bright. And we've got fireworks to help us, perhaps even be seen from space.
We have been the shining beacon in the region during this pandemic. We're 55 years old. We have come a long way. And if we stay together, united as one people, the future is bright.
One Singapore, one people, one nation, one.
You should be able to see the fireworks from where you are, as the fireworks display has been decentralized to 10 locations across the island. Enjoy.
Let me see all of you stand up. Let's go. What do you recognize? Recognize you can play a part. Let it come right from your heart. Be prepared to give a little more. That's right, Roseanne. Sing it, everyone. Stand up for Singapore.
Over 60 stories high, some of these fireworks. 10 locations across the island.
Those of us at home, everyone wave your torches. Woo! All right, start performing arts center. Let's try a little bit of synchrony right now. I'll lead and you guys follow. We'll go from your left with your torches, all right? Together, one Singapore, and we go to your left, to your right, to your left, and to beautiful. So wonderful, synchronized. That's right, Joachim. Every creed and every race has its role, has its place. One.
Wave along your lights along with us. Come on, Singapore.
As the fireworks go across the island, everyone in Singapore, let's raise our torches and wave our flags. We are Singapore. Who are we? We are Singapore. Yeah. That's right. Together as one nation. We will get there. Definitely get there. Whoa. Everybody here at the Star Performing Arts Center, we're down to our final song. Dancers, performers, singers, energy one more time for everybody for our 55th birthday. Happy birthday, Singapore.
Keep your energies up and high, everybody.
What do we say? Count on me, Singapore. That's right, all of you at home as well. Count on me. Count on me to give my best and more. Together, Singapore, Singapore. Let me see your hands up like Sheik and Shay and Young Roger. Let's go. Here we go. The fireworks all across the island. Beautiful sight. But here at the Star Performing Arts, it's even more beautiful as well. Give my best and more. Together, Singapore. Together, Singapore. One more time. Two more times. And one more to take it home. Together, Singapore. Here we go. Yeah. Woo!
What a special night this has been to see Singaporeans come together in this way.
It just goes to show, even if you are far apart, our hearts can still be united as one.
Let's do that by being kind and looking out for one another in the coming days.
And by continuing to support one another and care for each other, we can show everyone what the Singapore spirit looks like. And before she leaves, let us thank Madam President for joining us this evening. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Madam President.
Oh, hang on. I think she's coming on stage.
Oh, she's coming on stage. Wonderful.
That's really special.
Oh, yay! Well, from all of us here at the Star Performing Arts Center to all our viewers watching at home or wherever you are.
You've been watching NDP 2020 live from the Star Performing Arts Center. Thank you very much for being a part of these milestone celebrations.
So we hope you enjoyed the show today. We ask you to stay strong, stay safe, stay positive as we fight this pandemic.
Because if we do all of that, we will be back for NDP 2021 a stronger, wiser, and more resilient Singapore. I'm Arnold Gay.
And I'm Yasmin Yonkers. Enjoy your public holiday tomorrow. Happy birthday, Singapore.
And in each other there will be the colors of your tapestry, colors you've never seen. Here's to my home, to my homeland, to every shining crystal in the sun. 'Cause of who you are, I can be everything I am. Here's to you, to my homeland, I hold this precious jewel in my hand. 'Cause of who you are, I can be everything I am.